Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a Sunday reset. I go into the office tomorrow, my birthday is this weekend, and Valentine's Day is next weekend. So I wanted to get a jump on cleaning so that the house is ready for the work week and for the babysitter. If you need some serious cleaning motivation, keep on watching. I went to church this morning, so I wanted to show you all my outfit before I changed into my cleaning clothes. The blazer is from H&M, top is Banana Republic, jeans are Abercrombie, and my jewelry is from Luisa. Thank you so much, Luisa, for sending me these pieces. They are so beautiful and versatile. You can wear them to work, while working out, or while cleaning, which is what I am getting ready to do. Luisa offers a wide range of pricing from $39 all the way up to genuine diamonds. So it's so many options for all of you. What a perfect Valentine's Day gift. Send that man a link. Even with my wrinkled shirt, the jewelry totally elevates the look. I took an accidental after church nap. Look at my hair. Oh my gosh. I did sleep in the jewelry and I didn't have a reaction on my neck or my ears, which is really good because I am kind of sensitive to that kind of thing. The jewelry is hypoallergenic, so I was totally fine after I woke up from that 3-hour nap that I really didn't have time for. So if you would like to look through some of Ana Luisa's other unique designs, check out the link in my description box below. I am starting the first of many loads of laundry in this video. I have not been feeling my best. I always get sicker on my birthday. I don't know why. Maybe it's just God's way of forcing me to sit down and reflect. I don't know. But I have so much laundry to do. I'm just starting with the kids' laundry because I have to leave my house at 5 a.m. So their clothes have to be laid out for the week. Otherwise, I'm just going to be scrambling for the rest of the week. And yeah, I don't know how this broke or what happened, but I'm going to figure out a way to jimmy rig that at some point. So I'm just going to get my room straightened up just so it's not complete chaos in here. I'm gonna fold this laundry and just get everything straightened up.
The blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. Yeah. Come around like it's shady, then I see you. And I see you. Baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. When you're nervous when you're gone, I say I'm not home.
Do you see that mug of coffee? Yeah, that was supposed to keep me awake, but it didn't because I didn't drink it because I was asleep.
I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're trying to start for a sign. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I don't wanna know. Baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Yeah. Hey baby, I see you. So sexy boy, so sexy boy. I don't know but I can tell you around you.
After I am done hanging up all of these clothes, I'm just going to put everything away and pick out my outfit for work tomorrow.
So high. Doja. This part, you ain't gotta say a word. Just walk that, let's get burned. It will roll up 100 fucking nuts. All up in my mouth, now all up in yo. This nigga got pounds of it, all up in his truck. Now we both look Asian. He waving and I'm drunk. I got dank shit in my cup. You know what I'ma do to you? I could give real use to you. Blow, we X and we sipping on that juicy juice. That's just what she choose to do.
Now let's tackle this bathroom. For the mirrors, I'm using the Sprayway glass cleaner as always, but we have been oil pulling. I personally do not get oil on the mirror, but some of us do. If you know what I'm talking about, Some of us get oil on the mirror. Anyway, I digress. So I am going over this twice to get any of the streaking or smears that did not come off with the first go round.
From 8 until late, I think about you. You're on my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for you. Stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stay. I just wanna say all night, all night. I just wanna say all night, all night. What you heard all night, all night. All I'm really asking for you. All night, all night. I just wanna say all night, all night.
My right hand is going to work. My left hand is really doing the most random thing ever. Like, look at my left hand.
My bedtime, no rest at the kingdom. Alone in my place, my heart is away. All that I can think of is we should get married. We should get married. Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things.
Now onto our favorite part, the toilet. I think this angle is working for us. What do we think? Well, let's see if I'll be able to duplicate this in future videos.
I just wanna say your line, your line. I just wanna say your line, your line. What you heard, your line, your line. All I'm really asking for is you. Your line, your line. I just wanna say your line, your line. What you heard, your line, your line. Long as you know who you belong to.
Don't worry, I did wash my hands before I took this laundry out of the dryer.
But if you, and that's the way I like it. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. That's the way I like it.
You snuggled everything, made me feel lovely. Can't stop thinking, but right now it's just a hole. Shit feel good, it's hard enough, don't wanna hold me. Pipe me up, you give me hype. You my favorite coach, compress the line. Fucking stress off, that's my only vice. I take it off when you tell me if I'm feeling fine. I want it all, risk it all.
Because I don't have a door on my laundry room, the top of the dryer becomes a drop zone, not only for laundry, but for pretty much anything that needs to go downstairs or that I brought upstairs from downstairs that I have not put away yet. So I'm just taking a minute to clear this off because this does add to the visual clutter and just makes things look not tidy, if that makes sense. So just clearing it off. It was just a bunch of winter hats. We had snow. The hats were in the entryway on the floor, so I just threw them in the wash, and they've been living up here since. So just clearing that out. We're going to dump some trash in the guest bathroom. That black bag has donations in it. Our donation person is coming on Wednesday to pick that up, so I'm just taking it downstairs and then having Xavier take the trash down, and we're going to get this hallway vacuumed.
Tell them I was on PCH. Just thinking they cuter than you. So you on your cycle, but he on his period too. The tables been turning so much, I was thinking it's foosball. The tenderness of them mistaking them for some white gold. Walk, talk, like Kenny, like boss, like Solana. I promise, more buzz. It's a waltz, it's a crater, or a spaceship. Shook up, get lost, no favors. I wager, whatever you worth, I ball. Something about a conservative.
Do you all have any plans for Valentine's Day? I had every intention of having a Galentine's at my house this year, but the way February snuck up on me after a year-long January is crazy.
Some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost.
I realized I don't film a whole lot in my 13-year-old's room. He's responsible for keeping his room clean and all that, so I'm just helping him out with his uniforms this week. Look at the plant. That is George. If you have been watching my videos for a while, you will see how small that plant used to be. He has taken such good care of that plant. I washed the sheets and the comforter for the guest room, so I'm just putting that back on the bed just in case our sitter wants to have a place to go to sleep because we're going to be out pretty late for my birthday, or if she decides she wants to spend the night, that everything is already fresh and ready to go.
Do I let him bump his gums or getting whacked? Do I take his head off and wear it for fashion? Do I do my stuff and take it to the max?
All he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the family.
At At a certain point, I paused to do bath time in pajamas and brushing teeth and all that with the kids. When I say the kids, I mean Ethan. But you all know that second child is like 2 children, so the kids equals Ethan. Anyway, I'm done with his laundry, so I am putting his uniforms up. I don't put one in Monday because he can't reach it, so I just put it on the floor for him to just grab in the morning and put on. And now we are finally downstairs. The downstairs is just dishes and wiping stuff down, so we're going to take care of that rather quickly after I fold up all these kitchen towels and cleaning cloths.
Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Love like a mountain that cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom in you. A peace which brings me through. Deserving of worship in spirit and truth. The light of life shines through. Our greatest gift was you. But Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest.
Monday mornings are really intense because, again, I go into the office, so I want to make sure that the lunches are as packed as possible. I am making them honey barbecue wings for lunch, and I'm just going to put them in the air fryer first thing in the morning. 10 minutes in the air fryer into their thermoses, and lunch is done. The Sunday reset is done. It felt so good waking up the next day and having everything straight and just ready to go. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa jewelry by clicking the link in my description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
I loved you that much that I